Hi, Pádraig here, McNally Motors. Today I'm going to show you around our 2019 Toyota Corolla. This is the Luna Sport model, finished in a Pearlescent Red Paint with a black bi-tone roof. It's got a low annual road tax of €180. It'll be sold with a fresh NCT, balance of manufacturer's warranty, and it's just been serviced here at McNally Motors. Now we'll take a look at some of the features this car has to offer. It's got the front LED daytime running lights, with front fog lights as standard, 17-inch diamond cut multi-spoke alloys with excellent tyres all around. It's got the fold-in wing mirrors. It's got the rear tinted privacy glass. It's got a nice size spacious boot. Protected boot liner and fold-down seats for additional space. It's got plenty of legroom in the back. It's got the ISOFIX for the car seats on both sides. It's finished in a navy cloth interior. Front armrest also. It's got electric windows and electric mirrors. Automatic headlights. Multifunctional steering wheel with built-in radio, phone controls and cruise control functions. It's got the touchscreen radio with built-in Bluetooth and reversing camera. It's got the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay for access to your Google Maps, Spotify, etc. USB and aux port. Being a hybrid, it's got the automatic gearbox, automatic handbrake with the hill start assist, and there's 84,838 kilometers on the clock. Here at McNally Motors, we can offer a wide range of finance options to suit your needs. So please give us a call in 043 33 45621 or visit our website at www.mcnallymotors.ie, where you can view this car and also book a test drive. Thanks very much.